Hi guys, so the braids I'm going to use for this video is from Colorful Queen company. I'm going to put the specs and everything that has to do with the braids in the description box below. I ended up using about 7 packs, and in each pack I got 15 strands. So this is what the braid looks like. It's very lovely.
She says she want murder.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick braiding pattern. I'm doing the versatile braiding pattern.
Looking very nice, the way you want. I want you to be my, so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
So right here I'm done with the braiding pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the crochet.
You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me.
So once I'm done installing the crochet braids, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shine and jam on my edges to help slick my edges.
Hey, His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad.
Then when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf and leave it to dry.
You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, murder.
So right here, I'm just using my hairdryer to make the drying process a little bit quicker.
I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on.
And then I'm gonna take off the scarf and I'm gonna go ahead and do some styles. You guys can see this is the final result of this style. I absolutely love this braids. Crochet braids is so versatile. You can style it in so many different ways. That's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.